We had a flash flood warning, so this recording was cut off. You're looking at Captain Kidd over there from Kings Canyon. It's still raining, starting to come down a little harder. So let me check it out. Oh snap! Cloud is coming through us with 3,000 feet elevation, and this cloud right here is coming directly this way. Oh, starting to come down a little harder now. Appreciate that. Got to get stuff wet over there. The whole, oh man, need this yard to get wet. Trees, yeah. I showed you guys Sentinel in the corner. This tree in the corner was also yellow before I started watering it. So he's starting to green up a little bit. And he has a name too, Old Man. That's what I call him, Old Man. Just standing over there. It's raining a little harder now. I like this. If it does this for like 10 minutes, I'm good. Yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely good. April painted the shed right there. Started that. Looks a lot better. Thank you, April. Back to the sky. Whoa, the dark cloud up there. Oh, oh, getting wet. Come back a little bit. Huh? Huh? Yeah, it is. I'm making a video.
I just read my phone. It said multiple country storm warning.
Yeah, when I first was doing the video, got a flash flood warning, and it cut it off, so I did it again. But hey, we need this.
Umbrella.
The umbrella, yeah, I was gonna roll it down. You got it? Thank you. Thank you very much. We could use this. Mountains over there? Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna get up. Momo drew. She was here a little while ago. Chalk all over the place. She wrote her name and stuff. Alright, back to that. That grass will get watered a little bit. Oh man, my hand hurts. Well, my shoulders are hurting, so sorry for shaking a little bit.
No, you don't want to do this?
What?
Can you get the cushions off the swing?
Yeah, I'm gonna get them. After I finish this, I'm gonna get them, alright? Just a couple of minutes more, babe. Flies on me. About to go inside, watch the ball game. Just came from San Diego, actually Lakeside, California. Was there for like 3 days. Just got home a couple hours ago. It was like 102 degrees, So I'm glad my gardener, I left him a note before I left, and I asked him, could he please water stuff, please? Because every time I go away, the only thing I'm worried about is, how did my plants going to get watered? Because, it's a bummer coming home and seeing stuff wilted after all the work you put in. So I want to thank the gardener for coming by and doing that for me. I better get them cushions before I get in trouble. One more minute. Come on, lightning. Let's get some more lightning in this place. Whoa, there you go. Come on, fly. All that chalk will get washed off the patio. Grandbaby had a good time here. Had a good time having her here. She's a lot of fun. Shut up. Go around the corner, see how Jazz is doing. But this is another one that needs water. Oh man, right here, Jazz, what's up? A lot of water. It's a wonder this isn't an underwater plant. That's a Chilean jasmine. That's like my favorite plant. I probably shouldn't say it in front of the rest of them, but you know what's up, Jazz. And get the grapes watered too. Nice. I'm about to be out because there's like a hideous fly and he just won't go away. He keeps bugging me and I can't spray him, I can't hit him. Go this way. Here's the roster man right here. Whoa, getting windy. And rainy. Stand right here a second. Nice, get that nice and wet. In Kuiper, California. July 30th, 2015. About a little bit after 5 p.m. About to go watch the ball game. Oh yeah, gotta get that stuff off the swing. I'm out. Peace YouTube and peace to the family. This is the LMan.